Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ki Asha ki badan hapo ka Shatri jong ka Meghalaya Asha Workers Union haga arpulai teri kubuna jelleo arajar arpuwei. Kila penbena bakila Weng no ya ka Jingïakhih ka baklemput sengi hadin baka Sorkar jella leng baka tenat ka kot ka khia kala Kular ban Kyntiew no ya ka Jingsew Bainong bat ban sew deblut ya barok ke jing mentoy baki dai ban yo hadin bakila trei pendep ya la ka kamram. Ka Weng no ya kini ka Jingïakhih kalong hadin bo menteri jong ka tenat ka kot ka khia jong ka Sorkar jella uba Alexander Elhek ula khot da ka Jingïalang ya ki nongilam jong ka ni ka seng harengkat ka Jingidon lang jong ki nongilam ka senjuk ki nong senshar snong ka bri u henyo trep kentup ru ya u principal secretary jong ka tenat ka kot ka khia u Sampat Kumar lembat u mission director jong ka National Health Mission Meghalaya u Ram Kumar bat kiwei
long ni semong tu bakane kampat biang hina ka bantai ke jongi tengi la persyang hiru bangin ya krani ni ongi klembo ya keno ka fix amount mo na kaliang ke jongi nrei pin so ba ban penkiu idor kendiat iban ya habdor kat kum ke juk ka bamanta te na kaliang jong ipat ila request i ong bakane kadang dai tang ke jing sedang kam dai hiru ke jingkut ti ongin sanang le ya kene na kapor sakapor bangin nang ya le hiru ban penkiu ya kene ka fix honorarium te na kaliang jong hiru kum kinong ya lam jong kami Meghalaya Asha Workers Union hi kum bangila yo ban ya kran menebat i nginom syong that bangin siapa ya kene kumbangi le akran after 3 months and 4 months nila ban sedang ban follow up no ya kene bakin nang kham penkiu shu te khandia ru na kaliang ke jonga ha kene kapor nga shimru ya kalat ke kabu bangan ai khublai kerpang ya ke senjuk jong kinong sen shar shinong ke bri u nyau trap ki badai kum ki kpa ki jongi ki bapai bakmi yangi hopo ka shinong ka thau ki baju i hiru ki kam ki bangi ni trai ya ke jingkloi ki jong ki bania senran bat ngi mentang kasngi bat kum juru ki jingkloi ki jong ki bania kersyane ngi habaki i ki kam ki bangi trai ngai khublai ru shabaro khoj ki sang bahalang lani ki NGO slane ki kino ki senjuk rang ba shinong ki baya don bantah ha kabia kersyan bat ni namar kumbang ayu i bagi penimi ha ki press and media mo lang bagi news bangi apret ki ai ki jing kersyan na kabanta jongi te na kabanta ke jong na kabanta ka Meghalaya Asha Workers Union hi ni pha ai ki jing khublai sha baro khot ki tu ki badon ka mensim bania kersyan bat ni namar bangi sngau tho bangi namla bangi ne kendu ya ki la ne bangi ne khublai kiti resim ya kene ki jing khublai ka bakal lumlang ke jongi ya ki baro te na kaliang ka jong akum ka president jong ka Meghalaya Asha Workers Union hi ha kene ka singi la penbena bangi la Weng no ya kene ka indefinite strike kumbangi la bo namar halor ke jing ya keren ke jongi bangi la ya rai bangin penkot ya kene ka strike leng bada ka bangin pediang shwa ya ine fix honorarium ibadai ar hajar terkasih benai kat kum ke jing Kular bat kum ke meeting ke bangi la ya keren bai bahak apo bagi dan katukat ne ki wana po ka state ki doctors nang tapade ki state nodal officer nang tapade i kong ani di dan lang rengkat ru bat kini ki senjuk rang ba senang ma ti nang tapade kata ka jing keren kalong baik ba i bahek ila kumu health minister ila insurance ngi bagin siu ya ka fix nadu 2021 hi nadu bana April in ai no ka fix honorarium kata kalong arhaja kata ka fix honorarium kumbangi pa nadu mansua bahkan long baik ba lada ki Asha ki trei ne ki kim trei ru le se ki Asha ki pang ru kinyo be kata ka arhajan ki thia pang sibnai arbana ru kinyo be kata ka arhajan bat kata ka dei ka fix honorarium ka bon na ka state kan ai bet la de thia pang ru la ki Asha ki thia pang ne ki yo khulung ni kidan kan ko benta ba kim la ban trei ko mot maka kata ka fix kinyo be arhajan sibnai nang ta ha ka bai de ko bet pan na ka state ka 80,000 kila menjur menta ka si la iba hek la kula ban 80,000 na ka state bat 60,000 na ka central kumbangi jiyo terus kata de points baar kebalai ka incentives ke monthly incentives ke baki Asha ki juyo kumba ka central labo ti tentas ti kinyo baik kumba ki juyo kila banyo 60,000 ala 60,000 ka sanspa khat arspa khat raspa kalong ta dabun ki Asha ki juyo baik kata ki amount ki baki le kartum ke jingtre ke jongki kata kadai ba iba hek menta ka singi ila promise ba ila ong but sakawai pat ka points ka ba saw na ka benta ka pending dues kaba ngila demands lu khamensha nadu ko MMBS nadu 2012 hadu 2018 ti ila Kular bai la ong bangin ai no tang hapo ubana Julai ngin pelat no katak pisa ka sa arho 1,000 kron kata i ong in pelat na ho benai March ho benai Julai ho ni benai banuan ila ong mengin pelat no ti nang ta susu sakawai pat hakabaya dei bat kini ki namar ba kumbi kila di ki ong menaba kin penkut na hadu ar hajar Jingïakhih kala ong bai bikin penkut ia katuka skim jong ka MMBS perkadu ada katra tang bahadin mengiyata nya keren tingi sosok bai bisa hila ong bakandang walk out minang hab ya eksamen syai kani kin hab ya tres syai kani ban pendap pada yu ar hajar kat khandai ar hajar katra kat khandai ar phau kabamut namar baka jingong ji bahak menaki ong ba hadu ubanai ma ar jakat pra skim kin penkut no hendrai ngi ong bai nak diang jongi baki Asha ngi kidang bu ikar coach baki di banyo ya ke MMBS hadu u ar hajar ar phau til diet kidang bu ika records ti hadin bengila dap ya kerang ngata ti isa ila ong bangin ya dang ya ngin review yang kata ila ban ya abang hadu ar hajar phau kata kabul 4 la ban ai kasaran sna ka bentau ar jakat pra khandai ar phau.
So all the discussion we had is very, very agreeable and successful. The thing is like this. Also, we have told them after our discussion, you should call off your indefinite strike. So that also they have agreed. Then now from the government, we have come forward. Now they are getting only the incentive from the NHM. Now the state government are going to give them incentive of 2,000 rupees. That is not based on performance. Whether they work or they don't work also, that 2,000 rupees will be given to them every month. And also they are saying they have been delaying to disburse the amount to them. They said that is from the July onward. We will have our software which will start from the Umling, that is the pilot project. Their salary, honorarium, whatever incentive they're supposed to get, it will go directly to their personal account of the Ashas. And also we said that during this pandemic, during the pandemic, the NHM is giving incentive of 1,000 rupees. We said that also, we the state government also will pay you 1,000, a part of 2,000, another 1,000 also will pay you for incentive for the COVID during this pandemic. Then also the pending dues, which is pending for the Asha benefit scheme and the Meghalaya maternity benefit scheme, which is pending till 2018. That we said by July will clear all the amount, whatever amount. Then again they have demanding, he said, what about the 2019 and 2020? We said that one will not be able to give you any assurance at present, but the door has not closed. That also will be worked out. But the government decided whatever dues pending from 2011 to 2018 will be clear in the months of July. This is like this. Now they are getting the incentive during the COVID. That is 1,000 from the NHM. We said we will give additional 1,000 from the state government also for the COVID duty. That will do during this pandemic only. Then also we are giving the additional, not incentive, but additional honorarium, 2,000 rupees every month. This is not based on any performance, whether they are duty, no duty, or whatever they are. If they feel sick also, they are lying at home or hospital, these 2,000 rupees they will be getting every month. And we are ensured by the first week of the month, we will clear all their salaries.